The Settings menu has some very easy-to-use tools to help manage your streaming TV experience without having to contact customer support. From the program guide, press the back button on your remote to open the top navigation menu. Then press the left or right side of your remote control ring until you highlight Settings. Then press the bottom of your remote ring to open the Settings menu. The setting features we will focus on are Favorites and Devices, where you can add a new device to your service. Favorites is a really cool feature if you only watch certain channels and want to reduce the number of channels to scroll through from your program guide. Highlight Favorites and press the right side of your remote ring once. And then by pressing on the top or bottom of your remote ring, you can scroll through the channels list. And when you come across a channel that you like to watch, just press the center of your remote ring to mark it as a favorite. Continue adding your favorites, and when you are finished, press the right side of your remote ring once. Then press the center of your remote ring to Show Only Favorite Channels and Guide, and the blue button will display Yes. Now you will only see your selected favorites in the on-screen program guide. Should you decide later that you want all of your channels to display, you can highlight the Show Only Favorite Channels button and press the center of your remote ring to turn off this feature. The other important tool in the Settings menu is Account, where you will be able to see how much recording time you have left by looking at free disk space. There is also a Devices tab, and when highlighted, you can see a list of devices that are currently authorized to access your streaming TV service. Now let's say that you just purchased a new TV for the family room and need to get a new device connected for the big game. After the device is connected to the TV, follow the instructions we originally gave you for adding your streaming TV app to Apple TV devices. Once the installation is complete, when you open the streaming TV app for the first time, you will be asked for a login and passphrase. To generate these two numbers, go to an existing and currently activated device in your home and highlight Add Device from the Settings menu. This will display a login and passphrase that you can use. From your new device, enter the 6-digit login and then the 8-digit passphrase. At this point, your new device will be activated for your streaming TV service just in time for the big game.